So let's do red rising. Red is rising. So this one, red is rising. When do I stop rising? Nope, still rising. It almost stops rising, right? But it doesn't. So it's rising the whole time. So your answer here is negative infinity, positive infinity. Done with that one. Oh, I should say increasing. Okay. The next one. Let's see. We did red for rising. Let's do red for rising again. So it's rising, rising, rising. Tell me when I change directions. Right there. Okay. So the interval is starting at the lowest number, which is negative infinity. Negative infinity to what? To 1, because that's where it stops. It stops right there at 1. Oh, negative 1, thank you. So negative 1, boom, boom. That is increasing. And then it starts decreasing. So we change our color so we can show that it's decreasing right here. And now this is our interval for decreasing. This was our interval for increasing. Now we have the decreasing interval. We go from negative 1 to positive 1. So you write that down. I think you guys got this. I don't know why I'm doing it again. Negative 1, 1. That one's decreasing. And now we're increasing again. Oh no, increasing. And it goes to infinity. So it goes on forever. So from 1 to infinity is also increasing. So 1 to infinity, increasing. Alright, let's put a little line right there to separate those dudes. Okay, now the last one. Oh, dang. Look at this gnarly piecewise function. You guys see this? The cool thing about piecewise functions is that it gives you the conditions right here. These are the conditions right there. Those are conditions. Because those tell you which rule to use. You have this rule, and this rule. So depending on what your x is, you use that rule. So, oh, and the neat part about the conditions is those are your intervals on where it's rising or falling. So let's check this out. We have, right here, it's rising, right? It's going up and then it stops. I shouldn't have put an arrow right there. But it goes from all the way over there and then it stops right there. It's rising. So what's our interval for rising? Remember, you got to go from left to right. Yeah, you go negative infinity to, let's see, it stops right here, right? So what's the x number right there? 0. Okay, and check this out. You see this, how it says t is less than 0? Isn't that what this is? T is less than 0? That's the same thing. Ah, so this is increasing right here. Now we have a constant. Ooh, it's constant. Some of you guys wanted this example. Check it out. It stays the same. It doesn't move, doesn't go up and down, has a slope of 0. That's constant. So what's my interval here? 0 to 2. So 0 to 2, constant. And look, isn't that what our condition is right here? Look, it says 0 to 2. Oh. Now last one is decreasing, going from left to right. So this is our last interval right here, from 2 to positive infinity, decreasing.